Hello there, my name is Luciano Oliveira. I'm a Brazilian attorney, also licensed in California and Texas, and today I'm going to answer this question. How are real estate property appraisals handled in the scope of a probate in Brazil? And the answer is that the approaches are going to depend on the situation, whether the heirs want to save on taxes, and also whether the state is going to allow you to pick one or the other. In some states, such as Rio de Janeiro, there is really no choice because the judge in a Rio de Janeiro probate is going to order the tax authority to determine the current market value for the real estate property. However, in some other states, heirs are going to have an option to pick the price and inform the court directly. So let's discuss. When trying to reduce the taxes, the best approach is going to be to pick the amount that is showing on the deceased's tax return or the city books for the amount of the property for the purpose of yearly property taxes. So basically, your attorney is going to inform to the court that the reference amount is the amount that the heirs are considering for the purpose of paying the tax over the inheritance and as well as the value for that particular asset. However, when there are assets in more than one country and you are the foreign citizen participating as an heir and you're going to receive assets abroad, let's say in the United States, while the local heirs are going to receive in Brazil, naturally you're going to want the property to be showing the right amount and not an amount lower than the market value for the purposes of saving in taxes. In this case, usually one is going to use a real estate agent to do a study about the property, the neighborhood, the features, and other factors to come up with a valid and current market value for that property. So, talking a little bit more about the foreign citizen's perspective, if all the assets are in Brazil and they are going to be split, they are going to be distributed among the heirs, there is really no loss in trying to work with a lower amount as long as it is done legally and true to the rules, because everybody is going to be receiving a share of the same assets in the probate. However, something that we see happening every now and then and that foreign citizens don't usually think about is that whatever amount you provide into the court may be used by the local heirs later on to try to purchase your share. If you agree with the lower amount at the beginning, it's going to be difficult for you to later on fight against this amount that was used during the probate. Consider those factors when agreeing or not on using a smaller value for the asset. I hope these tips were helpful. Follow our channel and our videos for more tips, and see you in our next video.